Good morning. My name is Graciela Medina. I am 35 years old. I was born in Convita, but I live in Tunja. I am teacher and I work at the UPTC. I study Master in Administration. I am married with David Ortiz. We have a baby. I like read books and watch TV, but I don't like dance. Today, I am going to tell you about the park Bosque de la República. It is a historical site in its surrounding is the wall of the martyrs, where were shot two governors of Tunja in the 19th century. Is also a column of martyrs, a piece in honor of independence. In this park, there are many trees and trails for people to have contact with the nature. Once, in this place, there were dukes, but the people stole them. On one side, the park, there are the soccer fields and a park for children with disabilities. On weekend, many people go to this place to enjoy with their families. Goodbye.